Hello students, welcome in chapter 9 sequence and series. Students, today I continue our GP series, means geometric progressions. Yes students, geometric progression already formula you know, Tn and 2Sn formula. Yes, today I continue our example 15, which is most IMP example, exam oriented. Find the sum of the nth term for the sequence 7, 77, 717, 7717 till dash up to n. Yes, this is not given GP, but I translate into GP. So my target is SN. Yes, first of all you tick mark in IMP list, and SN I read 7 plus 77 plus 777 3 times, 4 times up to nth term. Very easy. First of all you take the common, all have 7. Remaining are 1, 11, 111, 111 up to nth term. You know why we take the common 7? Because I want to in conversion GP, so I necessary 9 divide 9 multiply. It is 999, 999 up to nth term. Now students, 100% this converting in GP, because first 9 is a 10 minus 1, 99, 100 minus 1. Next 10 cube minus 1, next 10 raised to 4 minus 1, and nth term same is. Now students check 10, 10 square, 10 cube, 10 4, all a club in one part. It is GP. That's why students I here take common 7, 9 multiply balancing and solution 7 by 9. Here 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 4 plus nth term, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 till n times. I just take minus carry outside, other same is. Now students, this is your 1 1 1 1. If you 10 time added then 10, 100 time added then 100, n time added then n, and this is your GP. This series is your GP. In GP you know that what is the A? 10, R T2 by T1, so 10 square by 10, more than 1, so SN ready. A R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1, and that should be full value I attach here, and my summation is ready for the SN. Students, first of all 7 by 9 as it is, A become 10, R become 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, and here students this one it is n. So your data SN 7 by 9, it is 10 by 9 and 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n, and here students your big part for this example is done. Sometime here 7 plus different number given, just like 8, 88, 888, same process, just common checking. Okay students? Now students, time coming to one more interesting question, 16. A person has 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great grandparents, and so on. This process is continuous. Find the number of his accelerators during the 10th generation preceding his own. It means total number of member we decided into 10 process, I mean 10 our generations. Very easy. We have to here 2, 4, 8 dash 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 in GP. So you have to create A2 ratio T2 by T1, 4 by 2, more than 1. And I want to total ancestors during the 10th generation. It means n become 10 and apply the Sn. A r is to n minus 1, r minus 1. And just you feed that, n become 10. So my value is, students, here S10. A I have 2, r become 2 raised to 10, and here 2 minus 1. So what is the data? Yes, my data is 2. Here 1024 minus 1 upon simple 1. So S10, 2 into 1023. So how much it is? 2046. 2046 member are passing in this our total 10 generation. Yes. Now students, continue after 16th, 17th one. Insert 3 numbers between 1 and 256, but show that the resultant sequence are in GP. Very easy. Students, here this is a 1 number. I insert the 3 GP terms, 1, 2, 3. Just consider G1, G2, G3, and only 3 numbers asking. Another after that, 256 is as it is, students. So how many total number of terms? 3 into 5. A become 1, N become 5, and Tn I have 2, 5, 6. But Tn I know. AR is to n minus 1. A is a 1. R unknown. And here 5 minus 1. 256. So this 256 is actually 16 square. And here R is to 4. So again if I dissolve, it is 4 square. I mean R is to 4. 4 is to 4. R become 4. Power it is same. If you base same, now my target achieved. 3 terms. So G1, G2 and G3 is ready. G1 is actually it is A. Here AR square. AR is to cube. Continue going. AR is to 4. That like. So G1 is what? Yes, your first data. G1 is a AR. And AR I have A known and R also known. Your data is a 4. Here AR square 1 but 4 square 16. Continue AR cube. So 1 but here 4 cube, that is 64. And if you further going, then 4 16 multiply that 4 to 16, again 64, again 4 multiply, it is getting 256. Indirectly students required our 3 terms between 1 and 256 are which one? 4, 16 and the 64. And here students, very easily done. Now students, after ending this one of the going now short property, a relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So my topic is a relation between arithmetic mean and students geometric mean. There are the 2 simple geometric mean and arithmetic mean. I just explain here again, and now I go to property. Yes, so first of all, arithmetic mean. If capital A is arithmetic mean of A and B, so surely A, capital A, B are in AP, or AP means difference same. A minus small a, B minus capital A. So twice A is equal to A plus B. What you get? A plus B by 2. That's your arithmetic mean. Now I going to geometric mean. If capital G is geometric mean of A and B, it means students A, G, B are in GP. I mean that is geometric progression value terms and ratio same. G upon A, B upon G, make the cross multiply. So G square is equal to, so G is equal to what? Root AB. That's the value for G. Always utilize root AB. Now I want to relation between A and GM. So we taking very easy, A minus G. What is A? A plus B by 2. G is a root AB. Now you can take LCM. So does my LCM is a plus B minus 2 root AB by 2, and it is your perfect square. Yes, root A minus root B the square by 2. Generally students, every whole square term, yes, generally every whole square term is a positive, not negative. Either they convert 0. It means it is non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. That same, this also same, and here students, A minus G greater than or equal to 0. So your data A greater than or equal to 0 means A greater than or equal to G. This is a relation always to any arithmetic mean and geometric mean between. So you by heart this whole topic, sometime asking in exam also students. Now I that related short numerical start now. Now continue students, we going ahead. Example 18. If AM and GM of a two positive numbers A and B are respectively given 10 and 8, and find out the respectively numbers. Students, AM and GM already I explained here. A plus B by 2, G is a root AB. So data utilization here, one of the AM is A plus B by 2, sorry here capital A, and what is the GM? Is a capital G. This also known you root AB between two numbers. Now what is your A? Arithmetic mean 10. A plus B by 2. And very easily you have to know A plus B is equal to 20. B taking 20 minus A. That is equation number 1. Same as here. Geometric mean is 8. Root AB. So you can take easily both sides squaring students. Here 64. A into B. But what is the B? 20 minus A. So I just putting there 20 minus A. Now expanded. 64. 20A minus A square. Rearrange A square minus 20A plus 64. Now I want to 64 splitting. Anyhow we can get 20. Yes, it is 16 fours. So there are two possibilities. A minus 16, A minus 4. It means students, you have to first A minus 16 equal to 0 or A minus 4 equal to 0. It means A 16 and here A 4. But I want to B also. Put it here. So your B students, 20 minus A, 20 minus 16, which is 4. That's the create your two positive numbers. Here also same going, 20 minus A, 20 minus 4, which is 16. It means last we return here. Therefore required two positive numbers. Which one? 16 and 4, otherwise 4 and 16, and that's the students your correct answer for this related example 18. Now students, I start exercise 9.3 till up to example done. Find the 20th term and nth term of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8. Very easy. In GP A I have 5 by 2. Our ratio students T2 by T1. So 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. So you have to 5 by 4, that 2 by 5. Cutting, cutting. This also cutting, cutting. It is a half. Now I want to nth term, n 20 term. First I go to Tn. AR raised to n minus 1. What is the A? 5 by 2. And R is a half raised to n minus 1. Students, here base same. You can power it added. So Tn I just write down 5 by 2 raised to 1 and 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. This both number I club. So Tn 5 1 plus n minus 1. This 1 and 1 cutting. Only you getting Tn 5 by 2 raised to n. Here n term and I want to also 20 term. So T20 5 by 2 raised to 20. But nothing do. Here easily and happily students first question done. Now students continue. Question number 2. Find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. Very easy students. Here given that our target T12 is find out 8th term is 192 and common ratio R become 2. So very easy. You just find out T8 A R raised to 8 minus 1 students and 192 same. A unknown but R raised to 7 192. R known students. It is 2 raised to 7 and 192. So what is the A? 192 by 2 raised to 7. Here students you try to cutting 2s are 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18, 19, no, 1 carry remaining 16. So 2 6 are 12. Here 2 with the 2 raised to 6. Cutting. 96 also cancel them. Yes, 48 2s are. Here also 2 into 2 raised to 5. Cutting. 48 also cancel. Yes, 12 4s are. And it is 32. 2 raised to 5. So students, your numerical done. 4 1s are, 4 8s are. Again 4 3s are and 4 2s are. It should be 3 by 2. And your A data is ready for 3 by 2. R known, A known, my target achieve 12th term. So students, I start now. Tn AR raised to n minus 1. I put it T12. So A I have 3 by 2. R become 2 raised to 12 minus 1. So T12 3 by 2 but 2 raised to 11. Again students here 1 power. Subtract with 11. So it get 3. 11 minus 1. 2 raised to 10. 1024 into 3. Yes, 3072. That's your answer. Easily students done here. Students, now we going ahead slowly. Question number 3. The 5th, 8th and 11th term of a GP are respectively P, Q and S. Then prove that you show that Q square is equal to PS. This is my target students. So first of all I go to your general terms of 5th, terms of 8 and terms of 11. What is terms of 5? AR raised to 5 minus 1. I mean AR raised to 4. Tn equal to AR raised to n minus 1 formula. Same here. AR raised to 8 minus 1. AR raised to 7. Similarly, AR raised to 11 minus 1. So AR raised to 10. But the respectively given P, Q, S. Statement 1 margin tab 2 and here indicate students statement 3rd. And now wait and target achieve Q square equal to PS checking. It means I want to Q square first. Yes. Now what's your Q? Q is this value. The given that how much? AR raised to 7. But I want to square. So A square and R the 7 the square, taking both sides squaring. So my data is clearly A square. Here R raised to 14. But I want to PS. What is the P? AR raised to 4. So can I write down here A into A, Here are 4, but here 10. Indirectly 10 and 4, 14. So q square, this all I just mention ar is to 4 into ar is to 10. That become p, and that is the s. So q square, students, it is p into s. I going that from 1 and 3. Yes, from equation 1 and 3. And here, students, successfully q square equal to ps are easily and happily done, students. Students, now continue. I going question number 4. The fourth term of GP is square of its second terms, and first term become -3. Find out its seventh term. So, students, my target T7 we find out. Fourth term is a square of second term. Yes, and my first term. Yes, what is the first term? It is indicate small a, become -3. And now start your T4. AR is to 4 minus 1, and this side AR is to 2 minus 1. So finally you have to A, and further going, students, R is to 3. Here A R is to 1, but raised to square. You easily create your value. AR the cube, A square R square. This cancel, 1A pending. This cancel, 1R pending. It means A is equal to R. But A known, -3. So what is the R? -3. It means your A value and R value done. Now my target achieved, students, 7th term. So I going T7, AR is to 7 minus 1. What's the A? -3. R -3 raised to 6. So, students, here 3 raised to 6, it is indirectly 7 to 9, and into you just multiply by 3, then get the answer. 7 and 9 3s are 21. So 9 3s are, yes, 27. 2 carry, and remaining 3 to the 6, 7 and 8, and 7 3s are 21. So 2187, students, your answer done. Now, students, after that fourth question, we start now fifth. Fifth have 3 different numericals, but all are important. First A, 2, 2 to 2, 4, dash, dash, dash. 128 is which term? Means, students, term define. Here A is 2. R I just find out T2 by T1 ratio. So 2 root 2 by 2, cutting. You have to root 2, and N is my target. Because the given 128 is a term Tn 1 to 8, Tn I known, AR is to N minus 1. Now value put it. What is the A? 2. R is a root 2, and 128 as it is. So does 2 and 128 cancel? 64 is that? Yes. So 2 the power half, 64. Now 64 is a multiple of 2, that is 1 2 2 2 2 2 6 times. So here 2 raised to, students, you have to create n minus 1 by 2, and here 2 raised to 6. Indirectly base same, power same. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. So what you get? N minus 1 is equal to 2 6 12, n become 13. And here, students, your first A part is easily done. Now I continue, students, the part B. Yes, part B also same is, just only internal terms is different given, and change my answer n also. So part B available here, which is 3 comma, sorry, first root 3 comma 3 root 3 comma dash 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 is 7 to 9, That's the target. So very easily, that also students, I create my solutions. So first of all, here a is root 3. What is the r? T2 by T1. So 3 by root 3, and it is sure root 3. N unknown. Which term is unknown? A Tn given 7 to 9. So does Tn formula is known? AR raised to n minus 1. Yes. So here A r raised to n minus 1 becomes 7 to 9. What is the A? Root 3. R root 3. N minus 1. And 7 to 9 students, 9, 9, 9. I translate into 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. And here raised to 1. Actually you write down root 3 raised to 1 plus n minus 1. This 1 cancel. And now we must be translated in the same base. Students, here 3 raised to half raised to n. But here 3 raised to 2 to 4 and to 6. It means 3 raised to n by 2. Here 3 raised to 6. Now students, base same, power same. So what's the n by 2? 6. N become 2 6. It means 6 to the 12. That's you create your final value for n. Now students, same as I going to my third questions. Question 5th, third. Yes, that also very easily but define here in the answer part. My third data is defined to particular terms. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 is 19683 question mark. Here also same asking which term is that. So students, A 1/3, R T2 by T1. Simple put it. T2 I have 1 by 9 and T1 1 by 3. So 1 by 9, 3 by 1, which is 1 by 3. Now I create my solutions to n is a target. What is the Tn rule? AR raised to n minus 1. Tn I have 1 by 19683, A 1/3 and R is a 1/3 raised to n minus 1. Students, actually these are 19683 is a multiple of 3. Students, it is a 3, 3, 3. If you taking 9 times, then you get 19683. And here 1 by 3 raised to 1 power plus n minus 1, that cancel. So you have to 1 by 3 raised to 9, 1 by 3 raised to n. Now make equality. 3 raised to 9, 3 raised to n. So what is n become? 9. Here your answer is easily done, students. Question number 5th, all 3 sums. Now continue, students. Question number 6th one. For what value of x? 2 by 7 minus x and minus 7 by 2 are in GP. Here students, consider it is T1, T2 and T3. Just to consider, and 3 term are in GP. So yes, T1, T2, T3 are in GP. So T2 by T1 is a T3 by T2. Ratio same. It means T2 square T1 into T2, T3. What is T2? X square. T1 is minus 2 by 7. T3 is a minus 7 by 2. Students, those are cancelled. Only you have to x square 1. So x become plus or minus 1. And here very easily students cancel. Now easily done. Now I continue, students, our question number 7th. Now 7 have to asking that find out summation of the given GP terms. Yes, find out summations. Question number 7. Find sum, and question is there. Terms of GP available in your questions. Point 15, comma. 0.015 comma 0.0015 comma our 20th term. Yes, up to 20 terms. So it's also easy, students, and very simple. Just of all, I converted to our A 0.15 R ratio T2 by T1, which is 0.015 upon 0.15. I just translate into simple way. Here 0.015. Can I write 0.15? So 0.15 by 150. It is 1 by 10. It means 0.1. But sure, less than 1. And less than 1 regarding Sn. Students, A R is to n minus 1 by R minus 1. And apply your Sn as 20. A I have 0.15. R, this formula is correct? No. Students, this formula is wrong. If you less than 1, then 1 minus R is to n, 1 minus R. For R less than 1. By mistake I written, sorry. Now here 1, what is the R? 0.1 means 1 by 10. Raised to n become 20. And here 1 minus R, it is 1 by 10. Now very simple, students. Here 15 by 100. It becomes same. And here 1 minus 1 by 10. It is a 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. So your data is finally 15 by 100, 10 by 9. And that becomes same, raised to 20 power. This cancels 0, 0. 3 3s are, 3 5s are, 5 2s are. So your answer is S20, 1 by 6, 1 minus 1 by 10 raised to 20. And that is your, students, final answer for question number 7. Students, here this part, now I stop that. And further explanation, this exercise related, students, I explain you as well as in next part. Bye bye.